So in this iPhone tutorial, I am going to show you how to edit text size on your iPhone. So once the settings app is opened up, scroll down to the middle here to where it says display and brightness and select that. Then if you scroll down a little bit to where it says text size, select that. And once you're on this screen, you can use this bar at the bottom to slide how large or how small you want to make your text size. So if you wanted to make it larger, you can slide this bar to the right and see an example on what it looks like. If you want to slide this bar to the left to make it a little smaller, you can do that as well. I'm just going to leave mine right in the middle for the sake of my phone, but you can make it larger or smaller just by sliding this bar at the bottom. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit text size on your iPhone. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.